Welcome to EVLBox Game Server Hosting, your one-stop shop for game and VPS hosting. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of claiming your Satisfactory game server after purchase. In addition to guiding you through the process of changing your server to the experimental branch and managing backups, we'll also show you how to copy local saves to your game server. For your convenience, we've included YouTube chapters so you can easily navigate to the sections you need. After purchasing your Satisfactory game server from our website, you'll receive an email with all the necessary information to access your server. The first step is to log into your Nitro Control panel account. In the Nitro Control panel, you'll see a list of all the game servers you've purchased. Find the Satisfactory game server you want to claim, and click the server's name to open the server console page. Due to some limitations with the Satisfactory dedicated server, the main server port is not the port that you use to connect to your server. You'll need to find the server query port, which is on the Startup tab, and labeled Server Query Port. For example, on this server, the port is 15777. Now that you have the server address and query port number, it's time to log into your server from the Satisfactory game. In the main menu, click on Server Manager, then Add Server. Enter your IP address and the server query port from the startup page. The Claim Server prompt will come up and ask you to set a name. You can change this name later. You are then prompted to set an admin password. From here, you can set a session name, a player password, and enable autosave for disconnects. If you want your server to operate 24/7, uncheck Pause the game when no players are connected. It's now time to create your game. Simply choose your starting area and hit Create Game. It's always a good idea to regularly back up your server to protect your progress. You wouldn't want to lose your factory. Let's create a scheduled backup that happens every night. In the Nitro Control panel, click on Schedules, then click Create Schedule. We'll set a schedule name and enter a time. The schedule system uses cron as its syntax. If you're not familiar with cron syntax, a good site to check out is crontab.guru. We'll set this to run at 2 AM and click Save. Now we have a schedule, but we'll need to create some tasks to go along with the schedule. Click New Task and then set the action to Create Backup. Click Create Task. To test, we can click Run Now. After a few minutes, we should have a full backup created. If you'd like to add more backup slots to your server, just reach out to our help team at evlbox.com/help. Now let's say you want to change your server to the experimental branch. It's always a good idea to first back up your server, in case you decide to switch back to the public branch. To do this, we'll go to the Backups tab and click Create Backup. To change to the experimental branch, click Startup, scroll down until you find the branch name, and set it to Experimental. Now, just restart the server, and it will download the experimental branch and start up. In most cases, the server will be able to upgrade your save to the stable branch. Keep an eye on the changelogs from Coffee Stain Studios, as they do announce breaking save issues. Keep in mind that the experimental branch usually has bugs and can be unstable. Now, most engineers already have a factory built, either from single player or from a multiplayer session. You can easily transfer these saves without even needing to open the file manager. In Satisfactory, open up the Server Manager and select your server. click the Manage Saves tab, and then click Upload Save. Choose a save to upload, and click Upload Game. Click Confirm, and your save will be uploaded to your Satisfactory server. Now, click on Load Save, and you'll see a new folder with your newly uploaded save file. Our support team is always here to help you with any questions or issues you may encounter, so don't hesitate to reach out to them by visiting evlbox.com/help. If you're looking for your own Satisfactory server, please give EVLbox a try. Use coupon code YouTube for 25% off your first month of service. Thanks for watching.